So I'll show a little bit about this woodworking project that I've been doing. So they cut some trees down across the street, and they're oak trees. So I got a lot of material for free, and I used it to build a porch. On the log house. Again, this is kind of like a practice deal. So it's all free material, and tried to make something a little bit, natural looking, rustic. Looks pretty good, I guess. It's fairly solid. So some of it I was able to notch, like I notched it in, and some of it I just went ahead and screwed it. So just some fun woodworking. The deck here is pretty solid. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty relaxing. So right above me is the roof, so kind of sit here in a drizzling kind of a rain with not much wind, and be able to not get wet. And then in front I got this really nice little forest here. These are all trees that I planted. That's an oak tree. The tall one here is an oak tree. This is a cinnamon tree. This is a Japanese maple, which does really nice changing of the colors. And here's a huge pine. So it's a pretty nice little spot, and it's pretty solid. Doesn't shake or anything, doesn't wiggle. So the whole thing is all connected. So yeah. Inside the log house, it's cleaned up. I put a nice floor in there. So now I gotta do the windows in the back and all that stuff. So it's coming together. This is all just practice, and it's fun, and I'm learning a lot of technique, improving my skill, and just really just messing around, just trying to have fun on the weekends. It took me 2 weekends to do this. It was basically almost free. I had to pay for this material here. So I think it was about $100. Now I gotta put a step to go up into the structure. So I'll do that tomorrow.